And we'll simmer it until brown. We are making just good old-fashioned nachos. Really simple recipe. Jalapeno peppers and voila. Now, how to get the rest of the stuff out? I need to get the frozen corn out of the freezer.
Frozen corn.
And a can of tomatoes, diced tomatoes.
Frozen corn. Got the frozen corn.
Excellent. I need about 1 cup. I think that's probably about enough.
1 cup, you said?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Here's a cup.
I think I need a cup of water as well.
1 cup of water.
Just give me just a cup full of water.
A cup? That type of cup?
Not a regular cup.
Okay.
So how long did you cook it?
About 8 minutes.
So cook it 8 minutes?
Yeah, give or take. Yep. We gotta drain the oil off of it.
Oh, 1 cup of corn?
1 cup of corn.
It's frozen corn?
Frozen corn, yes. I don't know the brand. Sweet Pick is one I like. Okay. Let's get that can opened. We need about 14 to 16 ounces. This is a 28 ounce can. 14 ounces, about half a can.
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be exact. It's just nachos. 1 more. Should do it. Okay, let's make sure we got everything. We got the corn, we got the seasoning, we got the water. Okay, and actually you can add other things in too, but it's just simple. We'll mix it all up to, rice. We need the rice. 3/4 cup of rice. Now, add in about 3/4 of a cup of leftover cooked rice. You can also use instant rice. About 3/4 of a cup. Give or take. That should do it. All right, then we're gonna stir this up, stir it together well, and then simmer it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Yeah, mostly we're just mixing it right now. So we get it mixed up really good. Make sure everything's good and mixed. And then once everything's good and mixed, we'll put the lid on it. And we're gonna let that thing simmer. Now usually you'll bring it up to a boil, and then once it boils, you turn it down to simmer. Okay. And then simmer. All right, leave that for 8 to 10 minutes, give or take. And that will get it'll get thicker, and the juices will all come together, and they'll really bring the flavor out. So, I'll open it up. See, it's still pretty, but it's a little bit thicker, but it's still got quite a lot of juice in there. Well, we're going to just stir it up one last time, and then and now we're going to add the cheese. Cover it up for 5 minutes just to let it melt. And this is a good time to get your plates together. Put your tortilla chips on the plates. You just about anything for garnish, but I like limes. We'll do some shredded lettuce. You can add black olives, cilantro, any kind of additional relishes that you wish. Not the sharpest knife. All right, let's check, see if it's ready. Yep, that looks just about right. It's ready to serve. So what we'll do is we'll just spoon it onto the plates of chips. There we go. Okay. Oh.
Whoa, let's see, Moxie.
It's very salad.
我要牛奶，可以吗？
可以。
Still hot. Not bad. Could use a little more flavor.